Hey learning buddies, thanks for joining us today. In this video we show you how to build a Duplo construction site. And we feature this model in one of our intro to coding videos where we explore and expand upon the curriculum provided in the LEGO Education Coding Express set. So I'll leave a link to that video down in the description and I hope you check it out. So the first thing we're going to need for our construction site is a construction storage yard where we store a variety of materials necessary for a construction project. Here we have some red bricks and some clear glass pieces, both of which materials would come in handy for a variety of construction projects. We're going to need also some fuel tanks to refuel the tractors or trucks that may run out of fuel, and a fire extinguisher just in case something goes wrong. A couple of red cones to keep out any innocent bystanders, and a construction worker at work sign with a ladder, of course. Here is construction foreman Rubble, it looks like, and he's got a shovel, and I guess he'll sit on top of the bricks just to say hello. And what we have next is another storage yard of materials. This time we will store some gray bricks, which will represent some concrete, a fence to keep out any passerbys, a red warning cone, and another construction worker at work sign. A couple more shovels we'll need to dig some holes, and one more construction worker just to keep his eye on the construction site. So now we've got two storage yards full of construction materials for any construction project. And next we'll show you the excavator that has come out recently in one of the two Duplo construction vehicle sets. I'll link to that in the description below. Interesting to note about the excavator pictured here is that those tracks don't actually move. There's a set of wheels underneath the base upon which the excavator rolls around. And I really like these arm pieces. They can be used in a variety of different settings, from a robotic arm to an assembly line type of setting. But here we'll demonstrate it just picking up a piece of concrete into the bucket and get the construction workers out of the way so nobody gets hurt from this falling piece of concrete there. So there is your excavator. And up next we have the railway cargo crane, which will be responsible for moving any and all cargo from the rail car that stops below it to the construction zone, which will be located behind it. We'll accomplish that with this rotating turntable piece, which will give the top of the crane a 360-degree rotation. Our students really enjoy playing with this crane as it's got a lot of degrees of movement from that turntable, as well as from the retractable hook that we will install here. The design for this crane came from the Coding Express set in LEGO's Education suite of products. And here we go, we'll show you the construction site and all the pieces that we've built for it sort of come together. And we're going to demonstrate the use of this crane here as we use it to lift a piece of new track off of a cargo car. We've modified this track with a plate underneath it so that it can be utilized with this crane. And I just wanted to point out that in our classroom, in our studio, we spend a lot of time and energy trying to develop detailed models, because what we find from our students is that the more interesting and more detailed and the more fun the model is, the more engaged they are with the lesson that we're trying to teach them. And I hope to stick with us as we demonstrate this construction site in action with one of our students in our classroom. Okay, so let's store that first brick, because that's not the brick that you're looking for, right? And let's put this in our storage area. There you go. Okay, and let's get that train pushed back to the switch track because I think it wants to go somewhere else after this, right? Okay, so there's your piece that you need to build with. Here's your foundation, so let's build with that piece. Good job. And where does that go? Go right there on the bridge. Good job. Good job. Well, I don't know that you can build with that one yet. Here, I'll help you with that. Good job. There's your first piece. And let's send the train back because I think we need to pick up another piece, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. We're going to come to the storage yard. We have one piece sitting there in the storage, don't we? Just happens to be the next piece that you need. Okay. There's your parts that you need. Whoops. Good job. Good job. Here you go. Very good construction. Yep. Goes just something like that.
Now, and basket. Wow. No. Somebody put the lid on.
Push it.
So they were trying to get the bucket back, but this would happen.
Push.
Oh, we need that bucket. They were trying to get the bucket, and then guess what happened? And then I was trying to get them down, and then he
Dun, dun, dun.
we have to get out of here. What's this?
Oh no!
Look, Princess Wait's gonna get it back. How?